Oh, ayun na oh.
Ayan, hiwaan na namin bahay, ano.
Oh, kasama ka.
Kasama ko Kuya Andre.
Kasama ka dyan, kaway-kaway. Sa mga fans. Oh. Oh. Oh,
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. May tricycle ah.
Oh, ayan oh.
Ayos. Good take, good take. Good morning. Good morning, my lady.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
We're going to traverse now. First, we're gonna go uphill and then we're gonna downwards.
Oh, ganda ng kahoy oh. Makabili kaya ng ano. Ang kahoy oh. Isa-isahin ang kukunin yan eh. Baka makabili kaya dyan. Naunahan tayo eh oh.
Ayun na, may buhangin na yun.
Hey! Garden yan. O gagawin bahay pala.
Anong bang kakantahin natin? Kanta natin.
Ano?
Anong music?
Happy birthday.
About happy birthday. Malayo pa naman.
Layo pala.
Your birthday is on March 21, right?
Okay.
And you're gonna say advance happy birthday prayer.
Yan.
It's too advanced.
See
Next
you.
month.
See you soon.
See you soon. See you later.
Sana.
Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his knees, and Jill came tumbling after. Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik bang kahapon? Ano nga yung ano yun?
Ipapasok ko to sa YouTube.
Ayaw nga, dapat pwede. Watch us on YouTube. Hello vlogs! Welcome to our guys!
Ayan.
This is our hiking adventures.
Yung Madre Cacao pala, maganda rin ang bulaklak ko.
Yeah. Gamot yan.
Ano yun eh? Oo, tama.
Ganda
Gamot nga yan.
Gamot yan.
Madre Cacao.
Panahon ng pagmumulaklak nila.